Alright, this is just going to be a simple video on Booleans and how to test if something is true or false, and if that value is true, to do one thing, and if it's false, to do another thing. So I've already created a class called Booleans, and I'm going to import objectdraw, and I'm going to extend the class to the window controller. And I'm going to create a Boolean variable, but I'm going to make it a private variable because we're only using it inside of this class. If I was extending it to another one, I would make it public, but just for this case, we're using it in one class, just make it private. Private Boolean, and I don't know, call it show ball. And I'm also going to make a filled oval because I'm going to have the program when show ball is true, I'm going to have the program show a black ball. When show ball is false, I'm going to have it do absolutely nothing with it. So private filled oval, I'm just going to call it ball. Okay, so we have our variables. Over here on the Boolean, this is the data type, and this is the data type of ball. So now I'm going to have the program check the value of show ball when the mouse is pressed. So I'm going to have public void on mouse press with the location as location point. And I'm going to have the program check the Boolean with an if statement. So it's just if show ball and then curly brackets. And what this is saying is if the show ball variable is true, because you don't have to put equals equals true, it's just more code. All you have to do is just put if show ball, and the program will know that you're saying if this Boolean is true, to do whatever is inside of these two curly brackets. So I'm gonna have it ball equals new filled oval, and give it some dimensions. I'm just going to give it 30, 30, 60, 60, and place it on the canvas. So what this is saying now is if show ball is true, then the variable ball is going to be a filled oval at these points on the canvas. And then you could do else, but I'm just going to do else if. So else if you put the exclamation point, then the Boolean, that's telling the program if this Boolean is false, do whatever is inside of these two curly brackets. So I don't want it to do anything, so I'm just going to do ball equals null. And null tells the program don't do anything with the ball variable, just leave the canvas the way it is, white, and nothing else. And then I'm going to set the value of the variable, of the Boolean. So it's going to be show ball equals true. So now when the program executes, it's going to read all of this, and then when it sees this, it's going to test it with this, and it's going to execute it. So if I press play, make this a little bit bigger, and I press, a ball appears. If I change this to false, bring this over here and make it bigger, nothing's happening because I have, when show ball is false, just null it, do nothing. I hope this helps. If you need anything else, talk to me in class or something, or send me a message.